5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Let's sing a song full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. They don't fade away. So when I'm gone, and when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Close to the sun.
Retreat is never an option.
Close to the sun.
Not enough.
Launch attack! An enemy has been slain. Launch attack!
Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain. The ones who stood for something more. Won't forget your name. The tide is high, set it high, we're setting sail. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun,
Be mighty,
close to
be
the sun.
righteous.
Ally has been slain. Brother on the tunnel!
Can soar to the heavens.
Request backup!
Close to the sun.
Retreat or death, you decide. Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
Launch attack! Okay.
So when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. I'll be right
Never
there,
fade.
close to the sun, close to the
Be
sun.
tolerated. Ha!
Slain. Good game. Oh, not ready.
It would take an army to
not
stop me.
Initiate retreat.
Heroes never fade.
Whenever your heart is
Yeah!
Not ready.
I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there.
Nothing
Launch
scares
attack!
me.
Okay.
Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life, you'll see clearly.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Yes, I know that you do just fine. I'll be your heart and your shine. Because I know that you will make your
Arm yourself and stand by me.
Understood.
Tranquil as a
Initiate
poem.
retreat to attack.
Within.
Request attack.
Weapons are meant to protect, nothing else.
Okay.
Retreat is never an option.
Well played.
Heroes never fade.
You have slain an enemy.
It would take an army to
Enemy has
stop
been
me.
slain. Initiate retreat.
Retreat
Attack.
or death.
Is not ready.
Decide. Heroes never fade. Tranquil as a poem.
Request backup.
Wait, let me get my head straight. I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day, feel like I regret things. I want my story just to have a happy ending. And I don't got a plan B, a plan A's all I need. Took the ships from the sea and burnt them all, no retreat. It's kill or get eat and get buried with the seeds. But that makes me feel free, hella focused on my dreams. I got habits, they're established. I'm doing things a bit manic, but I can handle it. Juggle this, juggle that, struggle here, lose some cash. Win and lose, make it back. You can choose your own path. Nothing good comes fast, nothing fast ever lasts. So I'll be patient but attack every day like it's my last. Push the pedal to the gas, burn the fuel that I have. Start a fire, light a match. I ain't never looking back. So plant hard in your feet. There's no retreat, burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past, out of desperation. All the people born with the losses, no retreat. You got it in you, you can do anything that you need, that you need. Don't be scared, go succeed. You don't need all the ones who don't retreat.
Slain an enemy.
Unstoppable, ain't responsible to try to make all the impossible go fit to probable. This life is not something that's optional. It's got its obstacles, but it's a gift. So don't miss out on your chance to be phenomenal. Push all the chips in. I take risks cause risky wins. I take it straight to the chin, then get right back up again. I don't lose, I always win, cause any loss is a lesson. I got a different engine. Wanna go, I'll go again. I'm on the chase while they running. Call the plays, let them come and tell a prophet out of nothing. Like a prophet up and coming. Taking shots, I'm always gunning. When I gamble, never bluffing. Last shot, I'll be clutching. Hit the shot they always wanted. Game winners, train killers. I can make 7 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures. Pay for any fucking dinner. Paint a picture, life richer. Good people, good living. Life bigger, fight winner. I just wanna get there quicker. So plan hard in your feet. There's no retreat. Burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past, out of desperation. All the people born who can last, there's no retreat. Don't believe. You got it in you, you can do anything that you can. Don't be scared, don't succeed. The only people who compete are the ones who don't retreat.
Ally has slain already. Launch attack. Mega kill.
It would take an army to stop me.
Defend the turret.
I said you better watch what you're doing, cause I ain't gonna stop being you. I'm headed to the top, I'ma do it. I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it. And baby girl, I like what you're doing. Your body's out of sight when you're
Retreat is never an
moving.
option.
You look just like my type, so let's do it. You know I'll treat you right, let me prove it. And I could go all night. I'm type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm
Now
the type
I
of
am
dude
one
who
with
can really
myself.
make changes. Cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
Arm yourself and stand by me. Your impudence will not be tolerated. Nothing scares me, not even death.
I'ma take it now, no, you're never gonna break me. I'ma stay out in the face of the hate. See, I'ma speak
Your
out, take
whole
the
body is
muzzle
a
off my
weak
face.
spot.
Out of my mouth, every word that will make me. Never had a doubt of the life that I'm making. Never had a doubt of the fight I'll be facing. Never had a doubt of the nights I'm making. Life is all about having dreams when I chase it. Now, I'll leave your rest. Now, I'll put your rest underneath ground. I'll bury you 6 feet deep now. And you better stay down. Get the hell out of my way now. It doesn't matter what you say now. I'm gonna take hold of fate now. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who can really make changes. Cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
Don't engage! Wait for me! Turret has been
I said you better watch what you're doing, cause I ain't gonna stop when I'm moving. I'm headed to the top, I'ma do it. I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it. And baby girl, I like what you're doing. Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it. You know I'll treat you right, let me prove it. And I could go all night. I'm sick of being nothing. All right, I'm gonna be something. All fight with every breath, trust me. I'ma be the one at the top, you can't touch me. I need to find somebody like me who wants to be something. I bleed with every word coming. I would rather die than be someone who's nothing. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes. Cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.